Hey, what's up people, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing problem. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you can see I open my TikTok application, and if I open any on profile, so I just scroll and there you can see there have no option for direct messages. So how can I get these direct messages? So for that I just click on the top right corner three dot icon, and then you can see there have a option message. So I don't have, just go here, and if you want to get direct messages on here, so what should you do? You just need to follow at first, this ID. I just select on this follow button, and then there you can see there have a option messages. You can see now direct messages option showing, so just select it. Now you can message him like that, hi. So guys, in this way you can get or you can fix TikTok direct messages. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.